guys, and welcome to another day with your girl Q. I was editing this vlog's video, okay, and I noticed that akho introduction, akho ikoyo, it's just silences, okay, silences with visuals. So I'm coming forth to apologize for that, to say hello and welcome to another day with Q. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are currently doing a new vlog. So once I upload this one tonight, it looks like a dim shop. Once I upload this tonight, there's going to be a new vlog that's going to be dropping very, very, very soon, sometime next week. But delayed. But please, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you once again for clicking on to another day with Q. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next vlog, okay? You don't have the bigger one. I want the bigger one. But I guess since we're going to do the video, I'll put it in
10:28. It's getting late. I know I made my mistakes. I know the role I played in loving you, giving you all you asked. I follow you down this unrequited path. It's getting late. I know I made my mistakes. I know the role I played in loving you, giving you all you asked. I follow you down this unrequited path. I keep falling. to the sky, 2 feet on the ground. I'm just being present, babe, that's all I'm about. Call me a new friend, I like how that sound. There's no agenda, girl, that's just what I found. I don't mind everyone around you in your orbit must be ridiculous. So it's alright, ain't no pressure, I'm not pressing on you, I won't mention us. What if I'm just around? What if I'm just around? What if I'm just around? What if I'm just around to be around? I'm just around. I'm just around. I'm just around to be around to be around. And I don't want you to take me serious, 'cause I don't know what that means to you. But if you keep me in mind, I know you used to think your love's dangerous. Used to people being mysterious. Ain't on that time. I just wanna be sweet to you back, make you calm, make you laugh. You deserve things like that. I just wanna show you I'm pure, through all I've endured, even if I'm not yours. So I don't mind everyone around you in your orbit is so ridiculous. So that's alright, ain't no pressure, I ain't pressing on you, I'll never mention us. Yeah, yeah. What if I'm just around? What if I'm just around? What if I'm just around? What if I'm just around to be?
So all you're gonna need is a bowl, a little cup tiner, and then you're gonna need some chia seeds or chia seeds. Normally I go kind of ham, I don't even use a spoon or anything, but today for the courtesy of this video I'm going to use a spoon. So that's 1, 2, and then we say 3. 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Okay, and you're going to need some still water. Okay, not too much, not too little, because if it's too much it's going to be too runny. If it's too little it's going to be too clumped up. Okay, then you just mix it up. Just mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Sometimes I do add milk, but today I would rather not add any milk on here. And then also you do remove these chia seeds that are on here. You can either just scoop through. Sometimes I use my finger just to, but the thing is I haven't got my tripod with me, so I normally just remove the lint, the chia seeds that are on here with my fingers, just to lob it back in there. And when it's already turning into a jelly-like substance, so yeah, you just let that sit for about 30 minutes. You let that sit for about 30 minutes, and then I'll show you guys after 30 minutes what I add inside the actual chia seed or chia pudding, Leonandi inside your app. And then yeah, so you put that in the fridge, you let it chill for about 30 minutes. You let that chill for about 30 minutes. After you let it for 30 minutes, okay, oh yeah, ufake ke izinto ofuna uzifaka. So I normally put like your likes of Greek yogurt. I will add your you know, I'm done. Your Greek yogurt. I would add your Greek yogurt. I said that. You add your Greek yogurt, you add your strawberries, you add your berries, you add your collagen, you add your seeds. I got these mixed seeds here. You add, but I'll show you guys when I actually do it. So we'll be back in the next 30 minutes to find the one I see as fucking tone. But to say chia, it's already stiff, like, and that's what you need. Some people add more water, but I found that when I add more water, it becomes too runny. I don't get the jelly like substance. But I will add just a little bit because it looks like it's a bit much. Almost stiff by, but you can see it's already becoming this big. It's becoming like a jelly. Yeah, well, it's no longer. It's becoming nice and thick consistency. So this is high in fiber. It's high in protein as well. So yeah, let's put that in the fridge. Let me stop playing with it. Put this in the fridge, and I'll see you guys in the next 30 minutes. So now we are just going to literally drink a green tea and watch a bit of Industry season 4 while I wait for Lomdan, the chia pudding, to do what it's gotta do. I mean, it's gotta do what it's gotta do. But guys, I need help. Can you see the wig life, what it causes to my hairline? Can you see the wig? Your ass. So we've got our seeds, we've got our blueberries, got strawberries, got yogurt, got the spoiled child that I showed you of the collagen, we've got Greek yogurt, and yeah. So that is breakfast. How does it look like from the side? And just like that, we are done. Brunch is done. And the time is 13:14. This meal is going to keep you full until like probably 6 o'clock tonight. If it literally fills you up like no one's business. Like, and then obviously drink lots and lots and lots of water so that there is no blockage from the chai seeds or chia seeds, because they do expand in the stomach to remove any fiber, but it can't remove the fiber without the assistance of the water. So drink a lot of water, please. Drink lots of water after eating this, maybe after an hour or two. Excuse me. And then yeah, Uzaba grind. You're gonna be frequent. You're gonna be And then we have got dinner. This is dinner with a cup of green tea. So this morning, today is Wednesday, the 8th of July, and we're just gonna have some protein, natural yogurt. Well, we start off with green tea, protein yogurt with some blueberries sprinkled on top, and some chia seeds and some seeds, collagen, the usual regular zagila, but I'm not gonna soak the chai seeds or chia seeds today. So I send this sprinkle on top with the seeds, mix it all up with the yogurt, and then have it after I've had my green tea and fruit on the side, or maybe inside the bowl. You have it, 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons of the natural Greek yogurt, but high in protein, with some blueberries, grapes, strawberries. I think I might just add a little bit of watermelon, and obviously the chai seeds. I'll show you when I'm done with the rest, but this is the fruit choice of today. Time is 12:23. Time is 12:23, and I'm just having breakfast. I'm breaking my fast now. So let's enjoy this. Finish watching I'm done. Industry. It is currently 13:49, and I've just finished having my brunch. I did drink the green tea, but then I think, okay, obviously you let it chill for a little bit, because I think the last time I showed you guys was 12:30. So an hour later, I'm now eating. So I'm just going to get ready to go and pick up Umdana Eskolweni and then do my normal, regular afternoon stuff. We're getting our nails done tomorrow, guys. We're getting our nails done tomorrow. Because what the hell, young? Because what the hell is this? What is this? This needs to go. This needs to go. So yeah, we're getting our nails done tomorrow. Can't wait. But anyway, I've just had a look back on the video, and this bowl looks big, but literally this is the size of the bowl. It's like the medium size of the 4 that comes kuyo. But it looks massive. That's how it literally fits in my hand. It fits in the palm of my hand.
Natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you?
Let's go do my nails betunan. So this is how my nails are looking now. Let's see what they will look like when I come back. Look guys, this is called BIAB nails. The sun is not giving it much justice, but the sun, they are so nice. I'll show you guys when I get home. But this is how they look like. But the longer I'll show you when I get home.
Oh yeah. take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you, before it